Hey, hi everyone. So in our previous videos, we have seen why Microsoft Power BI is needed upon the traditional tools such as Excel and the other databases tools. Okay. So हमने ये सब तो समझ लिया कि Power BI क्यों चाहिए. Okay. So now let's understand what is Power BI. So without wasting time, my name is Tanish Jain and I welcome you all to this playlist where we will learn Microsoft Power BI from scratch to end. And first question which everyone have, what is Microsoft Power BI? So Microsoft Power BI is a tool from Power Platform tech stack, and it is a business intelligence and data visualization tool from Microsoft that helps you turn raw data into interactive reports and dashboard. So अभी ये तो हो गया एक hardcore definition, the bookish language which you can speak in interviews and you can learn it out. But what is the core? What is the core of Microsoft Power BI? So when we have multiple data sets around in the world or in the organization where you are working, and if you want to bring all of them together and only use the required data set to make a storyline of your whole data set. Now understand in this way, you are a marketing head and you want to make a strategy for the whole year. आपको वो डेटा सेट के पास जाना पड़ेगा. आपको यू नीड टू एनालाइज फ्रॉम द पास्ट हाउ इट इज वर्किंग एंड हाउ वी कैन प्लान फ्यूचर सो दैट वी गेट द बेटर ग्रोथ. कहाँ इन्वेस्टमेंट लगाने पे मुझे कहाँ रिटर्न ज़्यादा मिल रहा है. सो दैट ऑल स्टेटस वी गेट फ्रॉम डेटा. एंड जब डेटा अगर आपको अंडरस्टैंड करने में डिफिकल्टी आ रही है तो देयर पावर बी आई कम्स इन टू द पिक्चर where you can go through the whole dashboard and see what exactly data story is saying and you can work upon it. So this is the basic of Power BI. And so now the next thing which we are going to see is how to install our tool. So if you want to install Microsoft Power BI, there are two ways. I'll show you the both ways one by one. The first one is you go to Microsoft Store in your search box, you open it out and you directly search here Microsoft Power BI. अब ये Microsoft का ही प्रोडक्ट है तो उनके स्टोर पे तो मिलना बनता ही है. So Microsoft Power BI and I can see Microsoft Power BI desktop. So as I open it, you will get a direct option to install over here. For me, currently it's already installed, so it's showing open directly. I can open it from here. The next method is you can do it from the browser. You can directly type over here is uh, download Microsoft Power BI. So as you go, you can get the first link over here. When you click over here, you will get the home page to install the Microsoft Power BI. You can directly have an option of download. Select the language. So अभी हमारे लिए तो English ही है, so I can do the install. This is the normal installer. Once it's installed, and we can directly install it as a regular exe setup. We can open it, do the next, and then the install it. So this is the procedure from where you can install the Power BI desktop in your laptops or your PCs. Moving to next, I will like to show you what Microsoft Power BI looks like. Okay, so let's move forward. So this is the blank page which comes over here. So there are options where you can open your existing report. If you have an option to open the blank reports. So once I click on the blank report, this is the interface you get. Mine, I have the black theme based desktop, so I am getting the all things in black. You will might get in white, so that's of no worries. So this is how Power BI interface looks like. The top part you can see is the ribbon part. This is called the ribbon, where you can find multiple options over here: home, insert, modeling, view, optimize, help. We will go through each and everything in details. There are some more hidden ribbons which is not showing over here, but when you start developing it and you make your dashboards over here, you will see those details coming up dashboard by dashboard. So I'll explain you all. Here we have the total of 5 options over here, where the first one is the report view. This is the view page or the canvas, you say. You design your dashboard over here, you make the dashboard and the storylines over here, and then you can publish it. So this will be the interface for the users. Next is the data set. Once you load the data, right? So Power BI has the functionality to also edit the data. You can transform it. You have multiple options over here to play with data sets. So this is the place you get the list of all the data sets and you can view your data over here. This is the modeling view where you make the connections between the data set. अब data set एक थोड़ी होता है. We have multiple data sets. उन सभी को connect करना पड़ेगा into relationships. We will see this in detail in future. Next is the DEX editor. So now when you write a calculations, right, Power BI में भी dashboards बनाना है, but dashboards also require the calculation. Sometimes the calculation are complex and too big. So to help us out, we have the DAX interface over here. You can run it. You can see how much time it's taking. You can improvise it. You can see how it's taking time, where it's taking time, where I can modify it, and this helps us out around more. And the last option is TMDL. So this is the latest view which has came right now. So we'll see this thing what exactly it is in future, and we'll understand this more in future. Moving back to your home page and the canvas, we can see right side we have the visualization pane. These are all the charts over here which you can view. You can drag or any of the chart over here, and you can add the things in the charts from the more. If you open it out, there is a data set. So here when you add your data sets, you will be view all the tables over here, and you can make all the charts over here. If you want to make table, you can create table, you can place it, and this is the canvas basically. Okay, the next option you can get is visualization pane. So once you click on chart or add data, you can customize the view, color, look, font size, and placement and everything. And this is more which comes into analytics feature and the forecasting part. But this is the whole overview. And when you see in the bottom part, right, so there are some options. Now when you are building your dashboard for the desktop, you have the desktop view over here. And now if I want to make a dashboard for my mobile, I can directly click over here, and I can get a direct option where I can create a data set for my mobile. So in my mobile, how it will look like, how it I can scroll it out. So this makes it easier, right? A laptop की screen तो बड़ी है, so you can place it in the landscape mode, but mobile is quite small. So we might use the portrait mode, and we can add the data, like visualizations according to our requirements over here. And the next is we can have multiple pages. So now storyline single page se thodi hoti hai. Like there is an home page, there is an user page, there is a filter data set, there are table page, multiple things, right? So you can add the pages from here, and you can add your storylines, you can add navigation buttons and all. So this is the whole overview of how to install your Power BI and how your interface of Power BI looks like. And thanks everyone, have a nice day, see you in the next video.